Hi guys, so I feel so productive today because I filmed three videos on one day. 3 videos, and I have to film more tomorrow, which is another productive day. But anyways, I'm gonna do a vlog, and I'm also gonna do like a quick haul for you guys. I have to put you guys something. Hold up. I'm gonna do like a quick haul for you guys. So haul. Okay, I would say last week my friends and I went to Marshall's, and I have here the Real Techniques brushes. And you guys, these are like very expensive brushes, and I only got it for $6 like $6, and I can't wait to use these brushes. I know I have so many brushes already, but you can never have too many makeup brush. So I love Real Techniques, and I am thinking that I can probably use this brush, like the big one sorry, for like bronzer. Like, look how cute the brushes is. Hold on, let me just take them off. So this one would be like I would say like highlight. I don't know how to use this thing, but that's too tiny. And how do you, okay, so this one would be, I know there's names in here. It says Rebel Edge Medium. Yeah, so I don't know how to use this, but this sold me out because of this big brush right here. I would use this as a bronzer brush. What's the name of this one? Yeah, Edge Board. I don't know what's, okay, so look at the brush. Oh, and it's so freaking soft as well. I know I just got a Anclothes brushes, and if you haven't watched the review, please watch it, because look at this makeup. It's amazing. So yeah, this is the brushes, and I also have, I'm just gonna turn this, I'm gonna put it over there. I also have like this eyebrow shaper. Well, I normally shave my face because I have that little tiny hair, and I like to shave my face. I don't shave my face every day. I shave at least every 2 to 3 weeks, and then I'll put like aloe vera to shave in it. I watched this girl, she said it's better to shave your face, because I be seeing like I have like hairs in my face. It's kind of weird, I don't know. But this is $4.99 from Marshall's, so that's the only thing I got from Marshall's. And I also went to Ulta, but I don't know if you guys can see, but look at the situation right here. I am sending a balikbayan box, which I'm gonna film the balikbayan box tomorrow. I'm not gonna film this today because I already filmed 3 videos today, plus I have to charge my battery. And for today's agenda, I'm gonna clean my car and also my husband's car, because I know it's gonna rain tomorrow, so I feel like it's useless if I wash the car, like the outside car. I'd rather like do the interior first and then let the rain wash kind of like the dirt, and maybe if it stops raining, then I will, you know, re-wash the car. So I don't know, that's the thing. So anyways, it's kind of messy, but yeah, I will be sending packages back to my country because I cannot go home this year. Sad, but I can't go home this year because we still have COVID, and I don't want to risk going home and we still have, like, you know, this whole freaking pandemic. It's so fucking annoying. We can't do nothing about it. We still don't have a freaking cure. But yeah, I have so much to film. I know it's kind of disgusting in here, so much stuff, but yeah, I have to film like what's in my balikbayan box, if you want to see that. But yeah, I'm gonna clean the, look at this, is like reality of filming. It's disgusting. It's so dirty already. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that, you guys. And what, okay, haul. See, I'd be forgetting stuff. All right, so I also want to quickly do a like a little Target haul. So a couple stuff here, which is, this is a restock. This is the Honey Pot Foaming Sensitive Wash. You can see, but yeah, I use this one, and this is a black owned business. You guys, I ditched my Summer's Eve. I switch into these, and oh my goodness, it's a lifesaver. And they also have the normal ones. I get the sensitive one because my is sensitive. So I have here wet ones. I normally put this on my car, so just in case if I run out of my alcohol or like hand sanitizers, I have this one right here. And I have Neocell Collagen. I love this thing. If you haven't watched like my July, I don't know, but it was like one of the I have one of the videos that I mentioned this one. So yeah, this is the Neocell Collagen vitamin C with biotin in it right there. And then I also got, okay, so first of all, I got this one, the brand Xoxo from Target, and it's the white one. This is so cute, you guys. It reminds me of Aritzia. One of their tops reminds me of Aritzia. And then I got another, I also have the one in, I think orange, or I don't know, like plum orange, and I have white, plum orange, and I also have the black one. And when I went there the other day, I got the, I would say baby blue or like light blue. So I get this one, and the name of the brand is Xoxo. You can find this at Target, and it's only $7 freaking. How cute is that? I like it. That's what I'm wearing right now in white, and I got the size medium. So I found this cute shirt, and I'm not really into colored pastel shirts, but when I saw this, I'm just like, this is cute. So I got the green, I would say like yeah, like light green color, just like a regular shirt. And I have, okay, so this one is $8, size medium, and this is this, what is this? I would say like lavender, lilac, purple color. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, that's the only thing I got from Target. Okay, so can we also talk about my stud earrings, you guys? So I got this from Simply Chelsea, and you guys, she is a Filipina and she lives around me, and then she sells cute earrings. I want you guys to follow her on Instagram, which is, I will put it somewhere here, Simply Chelsea. I got this I think for $5, and I also have the black and white, like the half and half black and white, and I love it. It is so simple and it's so cute. They also have, hold on, I'm gonna pull her in the Instagram real quick. So she has this cute earrings. How cute is that? But I just got the one on top, like the black and white, and then the other one right there, the like cream looking. But yeah, I got that, and it's so, like, I love supporting small businesses, and especially if you're Filipina, like even small businesses in particular, I love supporting them. And she's Filipina as well, so I can't, like, you know, I'm so happy that there's Filipina around here like me. But anyways, let me just clean, let me clean, because it's driving me nuts already. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my like office slash beauty room, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm going to Aldi and just run some errands and grocery store. I'm here at Target because I met up one of my Instagram friends. I bought something from her, CC cream, and we just met at Target. And I also got some Starbucks. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Aldi because I'm gonna get some groceries, and maybe Harry's Theater as well, like the other grocery store where I live, like near me. I'm gonna make some soup, bulalo. It's like a Filipino food, and I'm probably gonna bake some scallop as well. I have to call my husband really quick because I don't know what he needs. Just using my phone to vlog. Hey guys, so I'm on my way home now. I got the groceries. I didn't really buy a lot of groceries since we have like I still have some meats, like also like some seafoods as well. So what I have here, some carrots, bagel, some salad, some corn. You guys can see in the video. And because I'm gonna make some bolalo tonight. I'm gonna do like a slow cook it, and I'm also gonna bake some scallops, sea scallops. So that's gonna be our dinner for tonight. Well, our dinner for tonight is gonna be the scallops, and then for tomorrow, hopefully, like our lunch is gonna be the bulalo, like the beef bulalo. So I'm excited because I feel like it's gonna rain tomorrow, and soup sounds good and tastes better, and I've done it before and I can't wait to eat the bulalo. But anyways, I'm just gonna drive and talk to you guys later. All right guys, so I got some corn here, some onions, and my beef shank already at the crock pot. I'm gonna put it on high for maybe, I would say, 3 to 4 hours, and then I'm gonna switch it to low overnight, and we'll see tomorrow. Hey guys, so I just got done cooking the scallops, and it's already like very late. It's like 11:51 at night already, and I'm gonna try to remove my makeup and drink my Restore powder from Teami. So before that, I have to boil some water. Actually, I have to boil some water so I can drink my Restore. I have to sleep after this because I have to wake up so early tomorrow because I have to check the soup, and I still have to film, I think, 3 videos tomorrow as well. So I gotta get up early tomorrow, and yeah, that is it for this vlog, you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to join the giveaway, I do have a giveaway going on right now, and I will leave the link on the giveaway video if you want to join. So yeah, like I said, I will see you guys on my next video or tomorrow. Bye.